Are you passionate about health and wellness? Do you find joy in helping others achieve their fitness goals and improve their overall well-being? Do you dream of building a business that makes a real difference in people's lives? A business that not only thrives but also brings positive change to the community? If so, the booming health and wellness industry might be your calling. This industry is growing rapidly, offering endless possibilities for those who are dedicated and passionate. This is your chance to turn your passion into a thriving business. Imagine creating a brand that stands for health, vitality, and positive change. The world is waking up to the importance of well-being. More and more people are seeking ways to improve their health and live more fulfilling lives. People are searching for guidance, products, and services that help them live healthier, happier lives. They need experts who can provide them with the right tools and knowledge. This surge in demand has created a dynamic and lucrative industry, ripe with opportunities for passionate entrepreneurs like you. The potential for growth and success is immense. This is about more than just profits. It's about creating a legacy. It's about making a real impact. Your efforts can lead to significant changes in people's lives, helping them achieve their health goals. By venturing into health and wellness, you become a force for good, empowering others to live their best lives. Your journey can inspire and uplift countless individuals. Gone are the days when wellness was a passing trend. Today, it's a way of life. People are making conscious choices to prioritize their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This shift in mindset is fueling explosive growth in the health and wellness industry. We're seeing a surge in demand for healthy foods, fitness programs, mindfulness apps, and so much more. This industry is not slowing down. This is a long-term trend with incredible potential for entrepreneurs who are ready to ride the wave. The best part? The health and wellness industry is incredibly diverse and ever-evolving. It offers a niche for everyone, no matter your interests or expertise. Are you passionate about fitness and physical well-being? Launch a unique workout program, create a line of stylish activewear, or even open your own fitness studio. Interested in nutrition? Develop delicious and healthy meal plans, start a blog sharing your favorite recipes, or become a certified nutritionist. Is mental health your focus? Become a certified life coach, create an online platform for mindfulness and meditation, or develop a mental wellness app. The possibilities are endless. Identify your passions, leverage your skills, and find your unique space in this exciting and rewarding market. Section 4. Success Stories. Inspiration for your journey. Don't just take our word for it. Look at the incredible success stories emerging from the health and wellness industry. Think about companies like Headspace, transforming the way we manage stress through meditation. Or consider Peloton, bringing interactive fitness experiences into homes around the world. These companies started with a vision and capitalized on a growing market. Their success stories are proof that with passion, innovation, and hard work, you can achieve amazing things in this industry. Section 5. Profit with a Purpose. Building a business that lasts. Building a business in the health and wellness space is about more than just making money. It's about aligning your passion with purpose. You're not just selling a product or service. You're offering solutions that improve lives. This focus on genuine value and positive impact creates a sustainable and profitable business model. As people continue to prioritize their well-being, the demand for high-quality health and wellness offerings will only increase. Section 6. Take the leap. Your wellness venture awaits. This is your moment to shine. The health and wellness industry is booming, offering endless opportunities for growth and innovation. It's a dynamic and rewarding space for passionate entrepreneurs who are ready to make a difference in people's lives. This is your chance to combine your entrepreneurial spirit with your desire to help others lead healthier, happier lives. Imagine the impact you can make. The world needs your unique talents and perspectives. Your vision can inspire change. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time than now to take the leap and embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Seize the day and make your mark. The world of wellness is waiting for you. Embrace the challenge and thrive.